Hi friends, welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to see about string slicing. String slicing refers extracting part of the string which is also known as substring. Slicing can be done in two ways. That is using the slice object or using the indexing. The slice function can take three parameters. They are start, stop, and step values. The start and step parameters are optional, which will be substituted as none when not specified. Please note that the elements in the stop value will not be included in the result. In the same way, we can also use the index method. We can reverse the string by leaving the start and stop index to default values and only specifying the step value as -1. Let us see this in practice. For example, name equal to Hemant. Then we create a slice object x equal to slice of 2. Here 2 refers the stop index. Use the type method to identify the type of the object x. This will return class slice. Also print the content of the object x, which returns slice of none, 2, none. Now use this slice object to print the part of the string. That is name within square bracket. The slice object x will return he, that is first two characters. In the same way, we can also use the index method, name within square bracket :2. This will also return the first two characters. To access the characters from the index 2 to 4, create a slice object x1 equal to slice of 2, 5 and use the string object, that is name within square bracket x1. Here you can notice that the character at index 5 is not included in the resultant substring. We can directly use the index in the string to access the substring of the above as name within square bracket 2, 5. To print alternate characters from the beginning of the string, use the step value as 2 by leaving the start and stop values. That is name within square bracket ::2. To reverse a string, leave the start and stop parameter values to default and specify the step value as -1. That is name within square bracket ::1. Now to print the substring from the index 2 to 4 in the reverse order, we use name within square bracket 4, :1, -1. Here we specified the stop index value as 1 since it will not include the character at stop index. Try to write a program to find the given string is palindrome or not. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.